Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own mugs. As you remember, I had my mugs made for me many years ago, and they came out really well. I was real happy with them. But when I went to order more of them, they said that I had to pay an additional setup fee because I had waited too long. I really didn't want to do that, so I started doing some research, and I was able to buy all my cups on Amazon for next to nothing. And then with a little bit of research, I found a place called My Transfer Source, and I'll put a link to all this down below. And I was able to get all my transfers for next to nothing. And I bought pages and pages of these so I could do my own cups without spending an awful lot of money. A lot of the cups that I give away are just that. I give them away. I don't make anything off these, so I really want to do this as cheaply as possible. So I'm going to show you really quickly on how to do this. So first of all, you're going to need yourself a press. I picked this up off of Amazon years ago. I don't even think you can still get this model, but they have others. What's going to happen, this is going to come up to temperature, and I have a little cheat sheet here, and I got this online, and I experimented with it. The press is about 350 to 400 degrees. I got 365 degrees, seems to work good for me. The seconds, they say 150 to 210 seconds. 165 seconds seems to work good. Now this was a lot of trial and error, so that's what works for me here. So what you need to do is you need to get your cups, and that's beeping because it's telling me that it's up to temperature, and I'm at 365 right now. So once you get your cup from Amazon or wherever, you can find these everywhere. This comes, I think 24 of them, no 12 of them for like 24 bucks. So once you get your cup and you get your transfers, all you need to do is cut them out just like this, and you're going to need to figure out basically where you want to put it. I'm going to put mine right here. Mine's going to be set up so if you're right-handed, so if you're going to left-handed people, you can put it there, so however you want to do it. So then you just take it, you set it on there where you want it. You're going to need to get some high temperature tape that on there like that, make sure it's straight. Put a little bit over here. And all you need to do is take it and put it in the press. Clamp it down. And you press enter on this particular unit right here. In 162 seconds, it's counting down, 165 to 162, down to 158. It keeps going down. Once it's all done, it's going to start beeping at us. Once it starts beeping at us, we hit the OK button. Or we unclamp it and then press the OK. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going to get our cup after that. And that's basically all there is to it. Again, I'll put a link down below on where I got these transfers, and I think you're going to be amazed when you see how well they come out. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit, and we'll come back to this and we'll take the cup out of the press. So we're down to about 59 seconds. One of the things that I like to do, and you'll find that once you get doing this, if you're going to be doing a lot of these, just kind of stay ahead of it. You know, get these cut out so you're ready to rock and roll on the next one. So I'll just cut out the next one. Just like this. Get my cup ready, pull it out, and down to 41 seconds. Lay the cup down. Again, you're going to find out exactly where you want to put that. Take your tape, tape it on there, double check it. And you can have these all kind of lined up, ready to go. So you got yourself a little assembly line going as you go. The other thing I like to do, and you don't have to, you can kind of set these and let them cool a little bit. But I find that when it's ready to come out, it's ready to peel right off. So don't worry too much about that. So we're down to about 5 seconds now. I have this one ready to go. You're going to need some sort of little pick or something like that to kind of peel the tape off. So it's going to start beeping at us. I'm going to hit OK. Go ahead, unclamp it. Now you can set this off to the side. The cup is going to be extremely hot, and you know, get the other one in there if you want. I might just do that. So this one's ready to go. I'll pop that one in, clamp it down, go ahead and hit enter, and starts counting down. Right. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel the tape off, and look at that. This just does not do justice on the camera. I mean, it's hard to explain just how fantastic this is. The company that provided me with these, I've never seen anything like it. I mean, as cheap as this is, I mean, you're going to be just absolutely blown away in how well this is. So that's basically all you have to do is just, you know, you got to have the equipment. Again, this cheat sheet I got offline, and you might find that these temperatures may not work for you. Again, it's 165 seconds seems to work good, and 365 degrees is for the temperature works good for me. And I'm not sure if that's just because of the material or the type of cup. I have no idea, but you might have to experiment just a little bit. But once you get it down, you're gonna absolutely love it. Well, I hope that helps you with making your own cups, and stay tuned for the next one.